Welcome to Mindful Mornings. Today we visualize a dream day. Grab a mental suitcase. Let's journey together. Set your scene, close your eyes. Imagine your perfect day from dawn till dusk. You're the creator and viewer of your ideal day. Crafting your own story can impact you more than you know. Picture where you go and what you do from wake till sleep. Make it however you like, with no limits but your imagination. Spend time dwelling on each detail so your mental movie brings you joy. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a potent practice rooted in the law of attraction. When you vividly picture your ideal day, you're sending out a powerful message to the universe. It's like a cosmic order for the experiences you want to welcome into your life. Now let's get practical. Picture the details, the sights, sounds, and emotions of your dream day. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? Let your imagination run wild. Feeling the vibes, here's the secret sauce. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. As you visualize, immerse yourself in the emotions of that perfect day. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. When you tap into those positive vibes, you're aligning yourself with the energy that attracts similar experiences. Let's do a quick exercise together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your dream day unfolding. See it like a vivid movie playing in your mind. Feel the warmth of the sun, hear the laughter, embrace the joy. Take your time. This is your mental masterpiece. And there you have it. Visualizing your dream day. It's not just a fun exercise, it's a powerful tool to set intentions and activate the law of attraction. In our next episode, we'll explore gratitude journaling. Until then, keep dreaming and visualizing the incredible life you deserve. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.